Hey, I'm shooting a video of my 2020 Honda CRV Hybrid. I just recently changed the tires to the Falken Wildpeak All Terrain. I really like the 3D imprint that they have on these, or lettering, raised lettering. Yeah, I also have the option of just going just like flat on the other side if you don't like the 3D lettering. The tires that came on this car originally, the Kennergy Hankook, I think a lot of people have been complaining about them, that they don't last the mileage that they're supposed to. I only got 38,000 miles out of mine, and I decided to go with this tire because it's for like a lot of crossover vehicles. But yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. So far as the road noise, I don't notice a difference, but I would not recommend getting the same replacement tires that this vehicle came with. They don't last at all. Mine were falling apart.